Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple beaded pendant to go along with your bracelets and earrings. So let's get started. Alright, I have a friend that I'm going to make a bracelet for, which is this. I've already made it. And I videoed it so you can see it later if you want to. And I made the clasp. So, and then I'm going to surprise her with a pair of earrings. But I was going to make her a pendant. And I'm like, I made that. And I think that's way too big and too gaudy for her. Because she wears sort of smaller stuff. So I don't know. I don't think she'll like that one. But I do. And I'm going to show it to her and see what she thinks. It's got that stone. That's the best one I had. They all have these little places in them. But I think it's pretty. And then I made this one. And I thought, well, that's simple. She might like that. But I'm going to make one more to match the earrings. And I'm going to let her pick which pendant she wants. And I'm going to make one more. And it'll be more like the earrings. So let's get started. I'm going to use around those pliers. And first off, I'm going to flush cut that in because it looks like it's got a point on it. And I might just run the file over it. These little files were cheap. I bought them at Harbor Freight. They work really good. So, not sponsored or anything by anybody, but they work pretty good. Make a little curl there. Alright, now I'm going to walk it around. We'll make a little spiral at the bottom. Alright. Push it up our top. Hold it there. Let's sort of center it a little bit. So it's going to look like this. And I think you can buy head pins like that. I'm not sure. I'm going to take this little copper bead because I think it'll look pretty on it. If I can get my hands on it. Take the copper bead. I give it a little sparkle anyway. And then I'm going to take one of these. Saucer, I can't say it. A disc. A saucer shaped bead. Then I'm putting a bead cap on, and it has a copper look to it. I don't know if it's just plated or what. Then an 8mm, and then another. I wish I would have put these in the bracelet, but I didn't even think about them. I was digging around and I found them, and I'm like, oh. But put that bead on. Then we'll we'll put our last little copper bead on. bend it back. Try to allow for your wrap, because this is dead soft wire, and it will have a little give to it, so I'm not just going to wrap it and close it. I'm going to wrap it like this. Pull it tight. Then wrap it around the shank of it as tight as I can. Then I back it off a little bit. I'm going to cut it right there. Didn't have enough hands to hold on to it, so try not to mash your copper bead. Alright. Now, I'm going to turn that just a little bit so my swirl's at the front. Wait. I want to turn it that way. Make sure it's flat. Right. Now, we've got this. It's a thick jump ring, but it will work as our bell. I'm going to open it up. I twisted it. Put it through. Then you just wiggle it till you get it to where it goes together. When I was in the North Carolina beading group, this girl cut these for me. Alright. I've lost contact with her, I don't know. I don't know how to get back in touch with her. It's been a long time ago. I hope she's alright. She lived down towards the middle of our state. Okay. There's a simple pendant. Well, if I could get it below there. If I'd let go of the cord. That's a simple little pendant you can make to go with different things. Well, thanks for watching. I hope to see you on the next one. And until then, bye-bye.